Are you planning to relocate in 2025, but worried about complicated immigration systems, huge costs, or endless paperwork? Don't worry. In today's video, we'll explore the 5 easiest countries to relocate to in 2025. We'll break down the simplest relocation pathways, the requirements for each country, and extra insider tips to help you start your new life abroad. Stay tuned until the end for a bonus country where relocation is surprisingly easy and affordable. Now let's get started. Country 1, Canada. First on our list is Canada, one of the most immigrant-friendly countries in the world. Canada plans to welcome over 1.5 million new immigrants between 2025 and 2027. White heavy check mark why it's easy. Canada has multiple immigration pathways, making it possible for people with different backgrounds, students, skilled workers, or even family members, to move there. Pushpin easiest pathways. Express entry program for skilled workers based on a point system. If you have education, work experience, and English-French skills, you stand a high chance. Provincial nominee programs, PNPs. Some provinces like Saskatchewan or Manitoba have easier requirements compared to Ontario or British Columbia. Study permit, one of the easiest ways to move since students can later apply for permanent residency. Family sponsorship, if you have relatives in Canada, they can sponsor you. Memo requirements, valid passport, proof of education, degree or diploma, language proficiency, IELTS TF. Proof of funds varies by pathway, around CAD $13,000 for a single applicant under express entry. Police clearance and medical exams. Light bulb extra tip. Even if your CRS score for express entry is low, applying through a PNP can increase your chances dramatically. Country 2, Germany. Second is Germany, the economic powerhouse of Europe. With an ageing population and labour shortages, Germany is actively inviting foreigners to relocate. White heavy check mark why it's easy. Germany has introduced the Opportunity Card, Chancenkarte, in 2024, making it easier for skilled workers to move without a job offer. Pushpin easiest pathways. Opportunity Card, points-based visa allowing you to live in Germany for up to 1 year while searching for a job. Job seeker visa. If you have qualifications in demand, like IT, healthcare, or engineering, you can apply and find work once inside Germany. Student visa. Germany has some of the cheapest or even free universities, making it a great relocation path. Memo requirements. Recognized qualifications or vocational training. Proof of funds, about €12,000 for 1 year. Basic German language skills, A1, B1 recommended for job seekers. Health insurance. Light bulb extra tip. Once you secure a job in Germany, you can quickly transition to a blue card, leading to permanent residency in 33 months, or even 21 months if you speak German well. Country 3, Portugal. Third on our list is Portugal, known for its warm weather, affordable living costs, and welcoming immigration policies. White heavy check mark why it's easy. Portugal offers some of the simplest residence permits in Europe, with pathways for workers, students, entrepreneurs, and even remote workers. Pushpin easiest pathways. D7 visa, for those with passive income or remote work. Job seeker visa, recently launched, lets you enter Portugal to search for a job. Study visa, affordable tuition fees compared to other EU countries. Family reunification visa, easier if you have relatives already living in Portugal. Memo requirements. Proof of income, as low as €820 per month for D7 visa. Valid passport and health insurance. Proof of accommodation in Portugal. Clean criminal record. Light bulb extra tip. After 5 years of legal residence, you can apply for permanent residency or even Portuguese citizenship, giving you access to the entire EU without visas. Country 4, Australia. Fourth is Australia, a dream relocation destination thanks to its high standard of living, good salaries and immigrant-friendly systems. White heavy check mark why it's easy. Australia's skilled migration program makes it one of the easiest for qualified professionals, especially in healthcare, IT, and construction. Pushpin easiest pathways. Skilled independent visa, subclass 189, doesn't require employer sponsorship. Skilled nominated visa, subclass 190, if an Australian state nominates you, your chances improve. Student visa, study in Australia, then transition to work and residency. Family and partner visas, if you're married or engaged to an Australian citizen. Memo requirements. Skills assessment in your profession. English proficiency, IELTS TOEFL. Proof of funds varies, but around AUD 5,000 $10,000 for students. Health check and police clearance. Light bulb extra tip. Australia uses a points-based system, so even younger applicants with just a bachelor's degree can score high enough for permanent residency. Country 5, United Arab Emirates UAE. Fifth is the UAE, particularly Dubai and Abu Dhabi. Unlike Western countries, the UAE doesn't require permanent residency to live and work there. White heavy check mark why it's easy. The UAE has some of the most flexible relocation pathways, and with no income tax, it's extremely attractive to expatriates. Pushpin easiest pathways. Work visa, employers sponsor employees, one of the most straightforward relocation systems. Freelance visa, if you're a freelancer or entrepreneur, you can sponsor yourself. Golden visa, 5-10-year residency for skilled professionals, investors and students. Student visa, universities in Dubai and Abu Dhabi attract thousands of international students. Memo requirements. Valid passport. Job offer or proof of freelance business activity. Proof of accommodation. Medical test, basic health check. Light bulb extra tip. Many foreigners in Dubai eventually sponsor their families, making relocation a family-friendly option compared to other Gulf countries. So those are the 5 easiest countries to relocate to in 2025: Canada, Germany, Portugal, Australia and the UAE. Each offers unique pathways, simple requirements, and the possibility of building a new life abroad. Light bulb here is the bonus country. If you're looking for a hidden gem, consider Georgia. It offers 1-year visa-free stays for many nationalities, affordable living costs and simple residence permits, perfect for entrepreneurs and digital nomads. Remember, immigration laws can change, so always check the official websites or speak with a licensed immigration consultant before making final plans. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more relocation and travel tips. Drop a comment below. Which of these countries would you choose to relocate to in 2025, and why? Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.